Understanding the phrase, in your element, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and widely used English phrase, in your element. This phrase is a gem in the English language, reflecting a unique situation that we often experience. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to be in your element. In your element is an idiomatic expression in English used to describe a situation where a person feels comfortable, confident, and enjoys what they are doing. It's like finding your natural habitat or the perfect environment where your skills and passions align seamlessly. The phrase originates from ancient beliefs in alchemy and astrology, where the elements, like earth, water, air, fire, were thought to influence people's characters and destinies. Being in your element implied being in the environment most suited to your inherent nature. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. For example, 1. In professional contexts, she's in her element when coding complex software. 2. In personal scenarios, he's in his element when he's cooking in the kitchen. 3. In social settings, they're in their element when surrounded by friends. There are several phrases with meanings similar to in your element. These include in the zone, on one's turf, and in one's wheelhouse. Each carries a slightly different nuance but revolves around the concept of being comfortable and skilled in a particular setting. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, in your element, confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot where you feel most at home, skilled, and joyful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson where we continue exploring the richness of the English language.